Okay, so in this lecture, I will be showing you how you can actually set up your YouTube channel properly. You know how to customize it, properly. So how to set up your YouTube channel profile picture, how to set up YouTube channel art, how to actually set up this about page and stuff like that. So, and I'm also going to be giving you some free softwares here that you can use as an alternatives for paid versions. So first off, we want to start with creating our YouTube channel, our YouTube profile picture right here. And you can either, for example, take a picture of yourself if you're making a personal brand YouTube channel, or maybe you already have a YouTube channel picture that you want to set up right here, or if you want to create a logo, or you want to create some nice looking profile picture, you can either use, of course, you can use Photoshop. But if you don't want to pay for Photoshop, or you don't have skills for Photoshop, or you just don't want to use Photoshop, there are a few alternatives that I want to share with you. So first off, you can go either to canva.com. So as you can see, canva.com, design anything. You can create an account for absolutely free. You can just set it up. You can just connect it either with your Facebook account or your Google account. And as you can see, you have different templates right here. You have a YouTube channel art. You have a logo right here. We will first start with logos. I'm going to show you how to create a logo here real quick right here. As you can see, you have drag and drop. You have different templates that you can choose from. For example, I want to use this one. I can just change the text right here. You know, it's just drag and drop, and I can also change the color, change the font, change the size of this text, and as you can see, hundreds of different photos that you can choose from. I can change that real quick right here just by clicking on some of these. It will automatically change that for me. Once you have that done, you can also change this. You can change the icon right here, and for that you can either go to elements. You have different elements right here, but if you want it to look a little bit more professional, that you can just go to clean PNG, where you have hundreds, if not thousands, of different PNG images, you know, free without images, without background. So as you can see, you can use all of that for your logo. You can just add that real quick right here, and you can also change the background image. Maybe I want to use black. Okay, let's leave it like that. And once you're done, just hit this download and just download that to your computer. So it's super simple to create designs with Canva. But if you don't want to use Canva, you can also use photopea.com. That's an alternative for Photoshop. As you can see, it's very similar to Photoshop, and you can just create if you have Photoshop skills but you don't want to pay for Photoshop, or you don't want to use Photoshop, you don't have installed Photoshop, you can just go to photopea.com and use this to create simple designs, you know, to create a logo and to create a YouTube channel art. Now, how to create a YouTube channel art with a canva.com, I will also show you that in a couple of seconds. But first off, let's set up our profile picture. So just click on this right here. You want to click on edit, and that will take you over to Google Plus. It was a Google Plus. So you will just upload that image. Let me just see where can I find that. Okay, here it is. You will just double click on that and let it just load. Okay, it's in Serbian again. I hope you're not mad about that. But okay, so we have a profile picture right here. You can also change the name, the name of your the name of your channel. You can change that real quick right here. And I want to go back to YouTube now. So as you can see, my profile picture has been set up right here. And now we want to set up our channel art. So you can just go over here. As you can see, you have different templates for this as well. I'm gonna use something like this because it's a black image. You know, I can type in new videos every day. Like, share, and subscribe. I will do that real quick. And okay, this looks pretty nice. You know, you have different templates here. If you want to choose some other template, you can use that as well. But I will just use this for the sake of this video. I will just download that again to my computer. Oh, no. Okay, I've been using this. Okay, I will just delete. These are paid elements, so I don't need that. I will just delete that, and then I will download this. So there are also some paid elements, but if you don't want to pay for that, you can just use clean PNG or some other website where you can find different elements for absolutely free. So you don't really need to pay for that at all. Now we have this created. I will just click on customize channel, and that will change this. That will give us the old version of YouTube, and I just click add channel art, select a photo from my computer, and I will select this one. Let's just load. So okay, select that, and okay, this looks really nice. And you want to do this, and I will tell you in a couple of in some of the next videos. I will tell you why you need to set up your channel like this, why you need a nice looking profile picture, and why you actually need channel art. So this is a really important, and you want to do this. So stay tuned, keep watching this video. Even if you know how to do this, I want to just show you how to actually set it up properly. So then you want to change the about section. Again, you can do this real quick. You can add a channel description. You can tell them more about your channel, what you're going to be posting on this channel, what type of content. You can tell more about yourself if you want to say. You can take a look at how other channels are doing this, what other channels have in their description. So you can just copy and paste that real quick. You can also add an email here, and the more information you put in, it's going to be better for you, trust me. So the more information you put in, it's going to be definitely better for you, and your channel is going to be way more professional, and you're going to make way more money if it looks quite professional like this one. So just type in a little bit more about yourself, more about the channel, about the videos that you're going to be posting and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you set up a YouTube channel properly, and I will see you in the next lecture.